Bro, how many scroll wheels does a mouse have?
One, right?
But this one has two! Today's video is going to be super awesome because we have something very interesting from Logitech. Logitech has recently released their brand new MX series peripherals, wireless peripherals actually, a brand new MX Master mouse and also MX Keys S wireless keyboard, guys. So MX Master, you people know, right? It's like a dream mouse for a lot of content creators and a lot of people out there. So this is an upgraded model of their already existing model. It's called as the MX Master 3S for business and packs like super interesting features, guys. So the whole design now it's completely different. It's like targeted for superb comfort and comes with like dual scroll wheels with smart shift technology. And not only that, it also has like quiet click technology. So everything is gonna be like super silent on this mouse and comes with an upgraded 8K DPI sensor as well. And along with the mouse, we also have like a brand new keyboard as well. This is a MX Keys S, as I've told you just now, and this is also like a wireless advanced edition keyboard from the brand. So this is what we'll be checking out in this video. Let's get started with the unboxing. So guys, these were the peripherals I was talking about. Our brand new MX Master 3S for business and also the MX Keys S came in this sort of box packaging. And by the way, these are review samples sent by the brand, so actual retail packaging might be slightly a bit different. So in the packaging of the mouse, you get Logi Bolt, which is a USB wireless dongle receiver. You also get a Type-C cable for charging and some paperwork. That's it. Now let's finally check out the mouse we've been waiting for. Logitech's all new MX Master 3S for business. Oh my god, initial impressions, mouse looks absolutely beautiful, guys. I mean, it kind of looks like an alien tech. Look at the whole color combination as well. Keeping that aside, now let's also check out the keyboard. There you go, our brand new Logitech's MX Keys S wireless advanced keyboard for PC, guys. I love the color scheme on both these peripherals, guys. I mean, it's a combination between metallic gray and black. So that's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's have a closer look at the products and talk about the design and build quality. First of all, let's start with the mouse. Logitech's MX Master 3S for business has a very similar design just like the previous gen model. Slight design changes and hardware changes is what I can say. Main thing that you're getting new over here is you're getting like quiet click technology. That means the buttons on it produce very less noise, almost silent is what I can say. You're getting a total of 8 buttons on board. Left and right click is there, forward back buttons are there, 2 scroll wheels are there including a thumb scroll wheel as well. And let me tell you, it still retains their hyper fast and ratcheted mode, so dual mode scroll wheel is available on this model also. And here's how the bottom part looks like. Let me just peel off this sticker, and there you go, guys. Here's how the bottom profile of the mouse looks like. Both these peripherals are wireless. You can either connect it via Bluetooth or even using their Logi Bolt USB wireless receiver dongle. On the bottom, you're getting a high performance 8K DPI sensor, and below that you have a special button known as easy switch. So thing is, now you can connect these peripherals to up to like 3 different PCs or computers and switch between them easily using this easy switch button on the bottom. Keeping that aside, now let me also show you the keyboard as well. And one more thing I forgot to mention is build quality of this MX series peripherals are like very good, guys. They're made of like recycled plastic material to reduce carbon footprints on earth, and that's actually a very good initiative from the brand. Anyways, coming to the keyboard now, it has a very slim and low profile design, guys. I mean, look at the thickness over here. But I do have to mention, keyboard definitely weighs a bit heavy. It's around like 8-10 grams. And also look at the key caps as well. Key caps have a dished out shape at the center that give a very comfortable feel when you're actually typing on it. And good thing is they're also white LED backlit. Plus they're intelligent. That means it has sensors on board that automatically lit up the white LED backlighting when you just bring the hands close to it. I'll give you a demo of that also in this video. Coming to the side and bottom profile, here's how the back side actually looks like. Very thin, I would say, except this top area. I guess that is where the whole built-in battery is situated. Going to the top here, you've got a power slide switch and a Type-C port for fast charging this keyboard. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the mouse and keyboard. What I'll do is I'll quickly connect them to my PC, use them for some days, and then be back to share my complete experience and feedback. Alright guys, I've been using these peripherals for the last couple of days, so let me share you my complete experience and feedback right now, starting off with the mouse. First of all, it's a very big size mouse and can definitely take some time adapting to it. It took me almost like 2 to 3 days to adjust and settle down, and once you get used to it, right, It'll feel quite comfortable, and let me tell you, there is literally no going back. Very ergonomic design, made specially for right-handed use, has a nice support wing on the left, and all the buttons on it are easily accessible. It's got a total of around 8 buttons on board. 7 out of them are fully customizable using Logi Options Plus software. The switches on board are also special. They come with a quiet click technology and produce super low noise. Almost silent is what I can say, guys, and I absolutely love the feel of this. Again, though, some people who actually prefer like a mechanical clicky sort of feel, this might be not in your preference. Anyways, I really like it because see, I'm a content creator, right? So at times when I'm seriously working, I want all sorts of noises and disturbances to be as low as possible. There, this was definitely helping. Though the only thing if I had to say is the mouse feels a bit heavy, guys. I mean, it weighs around 141-142 grams and definitely has a large footprint size. If you ask about the connectivity part, I've told you, right, it works via Bluetooth or using Logibolt USB receiver dongle and is multi-platform compatible. Works on Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, iPad OS and Android. You people name it, it works everywhere. I've been mostly using it via the USB dongle only and faced no sorts of issues during my usage, guys. Has a decent 10-meter range, and good thing is the Logibolt wireless connection is fully encrypted and secure. So even if you use it in a congested wireless environment also, nothing's gonna happen to the performance. Alright, if you ask about my day-to-day sort of experience, so far so good is what I can say. It's got like high quality TP mouse feed that glide on my mouse pad. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the sensor also, right? You're getting an 8K optical sensor with Logitech dark field tracking that offers super fine tracking accuracy and control. This thing can even track on glass surface as well, and you obviously can even adjust the DPI from 4000 to 8000 using Logi Options Plus software. So keeping all that aside, there are two things I have to specifically talk about on this mouse: the scroll wheels and a special gesture button. The mouse features not one but two scroll wheels on it. One is your regular scroll wheel at the top, and the second one is a special thumb wheel. And they're not your ordinary wheels, guys. It features Logitech's mag speed electromagnetic scroll wheel. So basically this thing has like two modes on it. You get a hyper fast smooth experience, and the other one is a ratcheted mode for a more geared sort of control feel when you're using it. It's totally on you how you want to use it. But the best part is it's got auto shifting feature. So when you enable it, right, it'll automatically shift between these two modes. For example, if you're using the scroll wheel slowly, then it'll be in the ratcheted mode to offer you like a much more precise control. But if you give it like a faster spin, right, it'll automatically switch to the hyper fast smooth mode. I had like a great time using the MX Master 3S as my daily driver. The in-hand feel, the superior controls, all easily accessible, and not to miss out, its special gesture button present on its wing. You can customize it to do various things like click this button and move the mouse forward to open Windows Start menu, or maybe like click the button and pull it down to hide your entire desktop layout. Multiple actions, guys. You can assign up to like 5 different actions to this gesture button. And guess what? Battery life was also great. It has a built-in 500 mAh battery, and even if you use it for say 5 to 6 hours daily also, it'll still work for around like 18 to 20 days on a full charge. And yes, it also has fast charging support. A quick 1-minute charge will offer you around 3 hours of usage. Alright, moving on to the keyboard. MX Keys S is a wireless edition advanced keyboard and features a very slim profile, guys. But despite the slim look, it is definitely heavy, guys, around 810 grams, and sits firmly on your desk. It doesn't move only. I love the design, color scheme. Both the peripherals look super premium and they're wireless, so no clutter of cables hanging from your PC. Connectivity part is same as the mouse. You can use it either via Bluetooth or Logibolt dongle. Now talking about the layout, now obviously it's got a full size design but actually has some improvements over the previous model. You're getting like 3 new keys at the top that offer a direct shortcut for voice dictation, microphone mute and unmute, and a key for emoji is also there. If you ask about the feel, definitely a comfortable feeling keyboard. It's got membrane scissor type keys, and even the keycaps have a nice dished out shape that feel quite comfortable while using. Click noise here is kept minimum, doesn't feel disturbing at all while using, and features something known as smart auto illumination backlighting. Now come closer, this is something very cool. Keyboard actually has sensors on board that automatically light up the backlighting in white color when you just bring your hands closer to the keyboard, guys. No touching is also required. That is also very cool, right? The brightness level also automatically adapts according to the ambient lighting in your room, though you can even manually adjust it using the Logi Options Plus software. Choice is up to you. One new thing Logitech has introduced this time is something known as smart actions on these peripherals. So using the Logi Options Plus app, you can automate like multiple tasks to go one after the other with just a single key press on your keyboard instead of going through all those repetitive steps and process. For example, you go to your office and every day you have a certain set of apps that you need to open and use them. So you don't need to like open all of them one after the other. Just simply automate them using Logitech Smart Actions feature, and next time all you need to do is just press a single button on your keyboard and that's it. It'll do the job for you and keep your workflow ready in your office. Very convenient feature, I felt. Lastly, now coming to the battery, good battery life I'd say during my usage. On a full charge, you can expect around like 10 to 12 days of battery backup, and standby time is around like 5 months as mentioned by the brand. Well, that's it, guys. Our complete look at Logitech's all new MX Master 3S for business and MX Keys as keyboard. You're getting premium look and feel, limitless customizations using their software, and excellent battery life as well. Though, if I had to nitpick, only thing I'd say is there is no provision to slot the USB dongle in the peripherals, and both the items are slightly on the heavier side. But apart from that, everything else is great. So I'll just leave links to them in the description box below, and if you ask about the price, they cost around like 24,000 rupees combined together. More details will be available in the link below, just check it out there. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to know something interesting today. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.